on a date in Seoul. Basically, there's this festival called 뚜벅뚜벅축제, and it's at Hangang. There's this bridge where like they restrict cars coming in, and they set up food stalls and like they sell things too. So it's like something going on. It's gonna be happening every Sunday until the 31st of October. So if you're watching this, you definitely should go because the weather this day has been like crazy. It's beautiful. It's like sunny but so cooling at the same time. So it's your sign. See you there. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Okay.
Beautiful.
Please laugh.
I think you made a good.
Think I've been here before. I know that I must have met you in a past life.
Some updates. Usually there's more stuff going on later in the evening, so if you guys are coming, you should definitely come later in the evening. But we just asked, they say that there's like a few food stalls at the front, so we're just gonna go there and check out because we haven't ate. Ooh. Just excited, guys. Oh, shrimp is our favorite. We gotta get shrimp. Takoyaki. It's kind of expensive though. 14,000원.
Got scammed.
We got scammed. We got cheese,
Butter.
shrimps, and butter chili.
Just snack.
Prawn snacks.
Oh, yo. Is this one better?
Yeah, it's so good.
See?
Papa?
No, maybe I take it from the side.
I said I didn't want the cheese, but I think the cheese is better. Oopsies.
So cute. She's so cute.
We're doing. We're lining up for something else. Stop.
That was your little friend?
오빠 정말. 소중이야, 진짜 소중이야. 좋은 하루 보내세요.
손님이네.
No spicy.
I just normal tteokbokki. This is tteokbokki.
This is good, right? The seaweed roll is really good.
맛이 없을 수가 없어.
Cheese not too curry in the morning. I think at the evening There's a lot more going on, but it's definitely gonna be way more crowded.
I think there's a movie going on too.
Oh yeah, they have like Mooney, and then they have like bean bags where you can like just chill and like watch movie with everyone. With like the hanriver breeze. Second stop, which is a really pretty and big cafe. It's actually kind of far. It took us an hour to get here by car, but it's like uphill, like super far. I actually have no idea where this area is, but I'll put the location somewhere here. But it's so cool eating. The view here is crazy. The building is actually so high up and it's so crowded here. There's so many people looking for like good seats. Just witnessed a fight. Oh no, like not a fight now, like a, you know, because like a girl came and like she waited for a really long time, and then like one girl just like snatched her place off, and then she was like, and then she just walked away. And I was just looking at it, I was like, oh no.
So bad, so bad.
So sad.
The coffee's not tasteless.
The coffee's tasteless?
No taste. It's like pain and water.
Their drinks are kind of bad. Mocha bun tastes like mocha bun. Out here for dinner. I went near Annam. It's my favorite Japanese ramen place. Me.
This is your for the dinner.
You always have to end it with rice with the soup. I never eat like that when I was in Malaysia. After I came to Korea, only I realized you guys eat like that. And that's the best thing ever.
You don't eat rice with soup.
We do, but like not like ramen. After we eat ramen, like noodles, then we eat rice again with soup. We just ate, but we're gonna eat again. Damn. I guess it's Sunday. It's actually a coupon that he gave me last time for like bingsu, and I haven't used it since so long. Since so long. And so we decided to use it today. So we're gonna go to sulbing. Sulbing is literally the best bingsu in Korea. So good. So yeah, we're gonna probably eat and then we're gonna go back home and then do some work, and it's probably gonna read. And that's about it. Yeah, of course.
이상하다. 거기 카페 너무 맛이 없었어.
The coffee, right? The cafe that we went this afternoon was probably bad.
The view was amazing.
The view was good, but like the food was.
Our next investment bank research analyst. Paris Bank Jetty. Paris Bank Jetty.
I am so full. I can't breathe. We stayed in the cafe for about 2 hours to do some work. And I'm gonna stop by Paris Baguette to get bread for tomorrow morning.